Hello everyone, let me introduce a powerful pump, HAOBOC new 38-meter concrete mixer pump. The biggest features is the 3-cubic hydraulic pan mixer, which use multi-sensor rapid mixing for high efficiency. A dust cover on the in front prevents dust leakage, making it more environmentally friendly. The forward and the reverse rotation speeds can be adjusted via remote control. In addition, a ground lifting hopper enables automatic, convenient, and rapid loading and doubled ice material storage, which can help improve construction efficiency. The large hydraulic cylinder provides powerful and faster lifting, and unloading is achieved with 2 hydraulic cylinders for greater stability. The boom uses 5-section RZ type, and the chassis is a top-of-the-line Howo China 2 emission 371 horsepower chassis. The pumping system uses a high-quality German stable engine or Zhuzhou gearbox transfer case. Rexroth 119 main hydraulic pump, 230 auxiliary conveyor cylinder, 125 main cylinder hydraulic with 1.6 meter stroke, suitable for large-scale construction. The boom uses a Howo or Loma multi-way valve, and the other electric control systems are self-driven, allowing for remote monitoring and troubleshooting, providing a clear overview of the equipment's operation.